how about dekat sini jenis rawatan hair transplant yang Dr.
Yeah.
Syazli buat?
So again, before we go into hair transplant, dekat sini in our center we do a complete treatment process for hair. That means it encompass those without surgery, without transplant. For example, here we have all different type of serum and boosters that we can actually use to stimulate the hair to grow. So treatment too is when you use this type of treatment or booster or serum or even stem cell, we have here the various types. So you actually apply on the scalp, then we use treatment to masukkan dia. Contoh dia macam microneedling or injection. So patient can actually see after 3 to 4 months the hair to grow lah because you boost using these serums. So at the same time, we also have home kit ataupun this serum and booster that patient can use at home.
Oh, dia buat sendiri?
Dia buat sendiri. So it's very safe.
Like what, just sapu ke?
So dia ada macam stamping. So it's especially popular for the ladies. Kalau dia nak lebatkan balik rambut. So it's very safe. It's FDA approved. So we have that. At the same time, we have things like we have shampoo for hair booster shampoo. We have a serum that can use after the shampoo. And then we also have oral medications that you can eat to actually boost the hair growth. Tablet. And then we also have a laser treatment or hair red light laser lah, they call it laser to boost the hair growth.
Oh, banyak jenis treatment.
So yeah, there's a lot of treatment available lah yang kita ada dekat sini. And then baru kita go for hair transplantation.
Jadi maknanya dia datang consultation dan you tengok whether they need to do all this kind of treatment.
Sometimes if let's say patient that goes for hair transplant kan, so before we go into the transplant process, so we will actually use this treatment first. Dia macam baja. So you bajakan tanah tu dulu. So by the time you transplant, tanah tu betul-betul dah subur lah. So the hair, because hair transplant ni are talking about percentage of the hair to grow. You always take about percentage. Let's say you put a certain number of hair, standard is about 70% or 75% will grow. So what you want is you want it to become more lah, the percentage. Kalau boleh you want 85%, even 90%, even 95% to grow kalau you boleh. But logically maximum we can get about 80 to 85% lah. So how do you boost the growth? One of these modality is this. I mean you bajakan dia dulu. So and the success rate will be higher. Macam tu. So let's say you cannot get 100%. Kalau kata somebody said you can put 100% growth tu, dia tak cakap betul lah. Tapi you standard about 75%, but we can boost to 85% by doing all this pre-treatment punya macam apa tu, fertilizer lah.
So yang ni actually kira first step dulu lah. Kalau misalnya needed, baru you talk about.
Correct. So some patient actually, a lot of my patient, some of them are celebrities that they always comes on television set and all that. So they cannot afford to take a long break because the shooting is very close by. So for them, we will go to this type of treatment modality. Ramai juga. So they will actually, they're quite happy with it because they see some growth and then they can buy time before going for the actual transplant. Or they might not need a transplant pun dulu for 5 to 10 years down the line, you know. If you can just boost, you get that. Because remember I told you earlier, the hair is actually a process. So you can growkan dia akan shrink, you growkan balik, that kind of thing. So you can actually play around with this process.
I see. Okay, so maknanya depending lifestyle juga. So you will assist and consult your patient lah, apa yang terbaik dengan apa yang mereka nak. Okay, interesting. So maknanya sebelum buat hair transplant, kita akan buat another treatment dulu.